When visitors arrive on site, granting that guest access shouldn't slow down your day. With Luma conveniently nested inside Microsoft Teams, the process is quick, secure, and guided every step of the way. First, the user simply opens a chat with Luma and types a request for guest access. Luma immediately responds, asking the right questions. What type of guest pass, and if there are any requirements or forms that need to be filled out. The answers are entered directly in Teams in a natural conversation. Luma confirms the details, checks permissions, and makes sure nothing is missed. If all requirements are met, Luma automatically generates the access request ticket, complete with all the context needed for approval and action. From start to finish, it takes just a few moments. No forms to hunt down and no back and forth with IT. Guests get the access they need, staff stays secure, and the process stays fully documented. Because smart access management should be as seamless as the conversation that starts it.